Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, why does your headphones Philips so quiet? Firstly, I recommend it to clean the grill. So you need to remove your earbuds, the left and right earbuds, and clean the grill. Next, after you clean it, and if it didn't help you, maybe the problem is your headphones just too old, or maybe you need to contact customer service. But if you have this problem with only one ear cup, I have a solution for you. It's not totally fixed, but it will help you, so we can change audio balance. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on the iPhone, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also this part to find a similar path to these settings. Okay, on your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. So maybe you need to scroll down a bit, click at the accessibility line, scroll down again. In the hearing, we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, not this one, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. So if you have the problem with the right ear cup, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to move it and test it. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left ear cup. Okay, if you have the problem with the left part, just move this dot to the left. Again, you need to find a good balance, and again, we just increase the volume for the left ear cup, but lower it for the right. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open settings. Then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and on stock Android, accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. So we need to scroll down, enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you will find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. If you have the problem with the left ear cup, you just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance, so you need to move this dot and test it, what will be good for you. We just increase the volume for the left ear cup, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left ear cup, you will totally mute sound for your right ear cup. If you have the problem with the right ear cup, the same process, you just move this dot to the right, again you need to find a good balance, and again we increase the volume for the right ear cup, but lower it for the left. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!